Okay, so regards to question 8, there's a lot. There's the one thing I would say is you made an attempt. That's the one positive. However, you have access to the internet and you have access to AI. And as I mentioned, if you don't understand something, ask a question. So on Discord. So the first thing I need you to do for this one is to read up on what the request library actually is. So go to the documentation on PyPy, on request, read the docs, go to Learn Python. It's a thread with different discussions about different concepts. Go to W3 School, to go to Real Python, bookmark all these links and read about the things before you answer questions. Don't just answer the question off the bat, read about it. And as I mentioned on our previous call, when you read about it, you'll encounter concepts and things you don't understand. This is up to you. If you actually want to learn something, if you actually want to become a software engineer, you should be curious. You should be naturally curious. So when you encounter something you don't understand, read about it, ask AI, ask as many questions as possible. Go on Discord and ask me questions. Don't just answer based on your assumptions because that's not learning. The same with what is HTML. All languages can be used to make websites. So high level, that's a broadly correct answer, but it's incorrect because it's not the detail required. Read more about what HTML is. What is HTML? Just read more about that in general. And then answer the question again, specific to HTML, not just programming languages in general. The same with that control strategy. That's not a, your answer does not relate to how we manage content, web content within code itself. Again, don't just answer the question. You have access to Google, you have access to AI. If you answer the question in a way that doesn't show that you actually did the research, it comes off as a lack of interest because you didn't actually put in the work to understand the question and to answer it correctly. The information is all available at your fingertips, so there's no reason to not have an answer. And when you answer the questions, I don't want to hear like textbook answers, like things that you read on Google, for example, or things you read in a book. I want you to explain things using your own examples. Explain things using cartoons you watch, using shows you watch. Use those examples to explain practical concepts. Because when you can explain things on that level, it shows you actually understand what you're talking about. That's very, very good to do. And again, you you have ample resources. Use them to understand how to answer the question and then answer it. The this Once you read all of that, you'll understand why this is completely incorrect. I need you to do the research and then explain back to me why your or how your answers were incorrect. This will help you like start really getting comfortable with the concept of self-learning. And once you're able to self-learn something, then you really become unstoppable in many ways.